வாழ்க வளமுடன். Have a pleasant day, children. In the previous class, we have seen the first 8 lines of the poem Life. It was written by Henry Van Dyke, a famous visionary American poet. So, first 8 lines. What is the type of this poem? This poem is a sonnet type. I have already introduced you. What do you mean by sonnet? Means a simple poem. Simple poem. So, the first 8 lines of this simple poem is called octet. So, now in this class, you are going to see the next 6 lines of the poem of this poem. So, the next 6 lines are called sestet. The next 6 lines of the sonnet is called sestet. So, in the first 8 lines, the poet has said that we have to have an optimistic view towards life, and we must take life as an adventurous one, and we must move towards any type of challenges that come on your journey. So, now in the next 6 lines, he is saying that he wants to face everything and he can go towards it to achieve the best in his life. So, now we can see the next 6 lines. So, let the way wind up the hill or down, or rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. So, now the poet is going to say in the second stanza that he expresses his determination to live a great life. He says that he won't be stopped by difficult uphill road of life, whether he gets a rough road or a smooth one. So, we cannot consider our life that it will be a smooth one. Sometimes ups and downs will be there in our life. So, we have to handle both of them in an equal manner. The next line. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy, new friendship, high adventure and a crown. So, the next 2 lines are still seeking what I sought when but a boy, new friendship, high adventure and a crown. So, he wants to inform us that he will continue seeking new friendship and high adventure and a crown in the same manner just as a boy wish. Because a boy or a girl in his childhood stage, they will be the prince and princess in their wonderland. So, as a boy, he will seek means here searching. So, he will seek, and what he want to get was a new friendship and a thrilling adventure and a crown. So, he says that his search will never stop in achieving all these things in his life. The final lines of this poem, the last 2 lines of this poem, my heart will keep the courage of the quest and hope the road's last turn will be the best. So, the last 2 lines of this poem are, finally he gives a touching sense to this poem that he will live with the full hope, so that his life's last turn, even his life's last turn will be the best one. So, his search will never stop, and he has the hope that his life's journey's last turn will be the best one, because hope makes a man move towards his goal. So, we must also have a determination, fixed determination in our life. Now, I want to read the 6 lines once again. So, let the way wind up the hill or down, or rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy, new friendship, high adventure and a crown. My heart will keep the courage of the quest and hope the road's last turn will be the best. So now, children, you are able to understand the 14 lines of this poem. Beautiful poem, life. We also must have a positive view in our life. So now I want to remember one of our famous millionaire, Ratan Tata. Beautiful lines on Ratan Tata's beautiful lives on quotation on life. Ups or downs in life are very important to keep us going, because a straight line even in an ECG means we are not alive. So children, we should not be serious in undertaking anything in our life. So have an adventurous life and enjoy life as it comes. Thank you, children.